Hari bol, Prabhu. You all are going somewhere. You're looking so happy.
Yes, Prabhu. We are going to Sri Dwaraka Dham.
Hari.
हरिहराय नमः कृष्ण यादवाय नमः यादवाय माधवाय केशवाय नमः हे गोपाल गोविंद राम श्री मधुसूदन गिरिधारी गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन हरिहराय नमः कृष्ण यादवाय नमः यादवाय माधवाय केशवाय नमः हे गोपाल गोविंद राम श्री मधुसूदन गिरिधारी गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन श्री चैतन्य नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत सीता हरि गुरु वैष्णव भगवत गीता हे श्री रूप सनातन भट्ट रघुनाथ श्री जीव गोपाल भट्ट दास रघुनाथ
चरण वंदन जहाँ होते विघ्न नाश अभिष्ट पुराण ऐसाई गोसाई जाल मुई तारदास तसबर पद रेणु मोर पंचग्रास नागेर चरण सेवी भक्त सनिवास जन्मे जन्मे कोई तेरी अभिलाष ऐसाई गोसाई ज्वाले गज कोई नवास राधा कृष्ण नित्य गीला कोई प्रकाश
भज वृंदावन श्री गुरु वैष्णव पद मजाया मन श्री गुरु वैष्णव पद पद्म कोरिया नरोत्तम दास कोय नाम संकीर्तन
Hare Krishna. This yatra was actually very good for me because it was my first time experience being with the Krishna Consciousness Association. And the most thing I liked about this yatra was, apart from the places and all the things, it was the culture that has been developed here. The way we respect each other, calling Prabhuji, Mataji, and mainly the seva culture, that we get an opportunity, each and every individual gets an opportunity to do the seva in any matter. All the things are volunteered by all the sevak and bhakts and devotees here. So that was a very good thing that I could do myself, some sevas for the bhakts and to the Lord. And apart from this, I was really inspired by this philosophy of Krishna consciousness, and after I listened to some lectures and all of these things, until now I also read about many philosophies, but after I listened to this, I am very excited to know and learn more about Srimad Bhagavatam, because it is the essence of many things. It is the source of so many knowledge and so many understandings. So I would try to commit to that Srimad Bhagavatam, that I can learn more into the depth. Hare
So our day used to start with beauty at 5 a.m. and we used to have the japa session from 5 to 7 a.m. and after that we used to have our Mangal Aarti and ecstatic kirtan. We all used to dance and enjoy praising the Lord's name, and after that then we used to have the sessions of Prabhuji Amal Mahaprabhu Das and Radha Vallabh Swamiji. The sessions were really full of wisdom and philosophy, and Prabhuji presented it in such a way that each and every kind of person, from beginning from the smaller, be it of the smaller age or older age, everyone used to understand in a greater way and in a very nice way, and it was a very nice experience to hear from such a great devotees. And after that we used to have our prasadam in the afternoon, and then the prasadam was really nice, prepared by the devotees itself, and it was a really pleasure to have such a great prasadam prepared by the devotees. And after that in the afternoon we visited different holy temples like Nageshwar Dham, Dwarkadish temple, and then Garbhodakshay Vishnu temple and many much temples. So it was overall a very nice experience, and I enjoyed it a lot. Thank you. And at last, I have now, from going here home, I have committed to myself that I will daily chant minimum 8 rounds, and I have a target of 16 rounds, but minimum 8 rounds, so I will chant on a compulsory basis. And I have also decided to read Bhagavad Gita on a regular basis and be associated with such great devotees regularly.
డివోటీస్ తోని మంచి అనుభవం వచ్చింది. మరి మీకు ఏంటంటే మీరు పడ్డ కృషి తర్వాత సేవాభావం చాలా బాగా నచ్చింది మాకు. మీరు అందరూ ఒట్టి పిల్లలు కూడా కాదు, అందరు మంచి మంచి ప్రొఫెషన్లో ఉన్నారు. అయినా కూడా మీరు వచ్చి ఇంత వినయంగా ఇంత సేవ చేసుకుంటూ భక్తి మన మానవులకు భగవంతునికి మధ్య మీరు ఇన్ని చెప్పడం వల్ల చాలా చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది మాకు. మేమైతే ఇంటిని అందరినీ మర్చిపోయి చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నాము. అందులో ద్వారకాజీని దర్శించడం చాలా గొప్పగా ఉంది. ఇది ఎన్నో జన్మల పుణ్యఫలంగా మేము భావించి మా జన్మ ధన్యమైనదిగా భావిస్తున్నాము. మళ్ళీ ముందు ముందు కూడా ఇలాంటివి చాలా చేయాలని దేవుని ద్వారకాజీని కోరుతున్నాను. మీకు కూడా మంచి భవిష్యత్తు కలిగించాలని ఆ భావించాను కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
Enjoyed Dwarka Yatra, and I love this Yatra so much, and I really enjoy the Kirtan in the morning program, the Mangal Aarti, Bhagavatam class, and the dance. Very wonderful.
ఇటువంటి యాత్రలు నేను రావడం ఇదే మొదటిసారి. అన్నీ కూడా చాలా బాగా చేశారు అందరూ కూడా. మాతాజీ కూడా చాలా బాగా హరి బోల్
చెప్పండి.
ఎనర్జెటిక్ గా, ఎంతూజియాజం గా, జీల్ గా, థ్రస్ట్, అడ్వెంచర్.
My overall experience in Dwarka Yatra was so. This is my first time in Yatra. Twice. Hare Krishna, this is my first time in Yatra getting devotee association, and no doubt this Yatra has been life-changing for me. In this Yatra I have learned so many things while listening to Bhagavatam lectures by His Grace Radhika Vallabh Prabhu and lecture by His Grace Amal Mahaprabhu. I have learned that material life has no that a soul comes into material life, but it is bound with birth and death. The consciousness of Krishna, knowing Krishna, is so important. The drama, the prasadam, everything was so good. It was so good. The personally, what I have seen the devotees serving selflessly. They are so humble, so sweet. All the Matajis and all the Prabhujis, all the Matajis and all the Prabhujis were working selflessly. This attitude personally motivated me a lot, and while ending with this, that in my future life I would do something. I do justice to my to whatever I do. I just want to devote my life to Krishna consciousness and to devotees.
And the dramas were too good, completely enjoyable and completely inspiring, and they have brought the Leelas to life. These were my great experiences from the Yatra.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,